Well, the drought across Florida remains in a weakening phase thanks to recent heavy rainfall, and that is going to be the case as we go through the next 7 to 10 days. Thanks for clicking on to the Monday edition of Hogan's US Outlook. Cut-off flow across California and the southwest at the moment. That will linger over the next few days. The GFS ensemble here, the 500 millibar heights, indicate that we are going to start the lower heights. Build heights across the north, but no lower heights across the Gulf of Mexico, and we need to watch out for some form of development potential here over the northeastern Gulf through the weekend and into early next week here. But the pattern is definitely conducive. We've got warm water, we've got the lowering heights, we've got the increase in humidity and moisture, and it's just really going to be a case of whether Mother Nature wants to spin up something early on, and that is not out of the ordinary, to be honest. For the latter half of May, we've seen a system develop in 2012 and also in 2016 as well. So in recent years, this is not really that unusual. Something worth paying attention to. But definitely, when you've got the banana-shaped tide at the north, you've got the lower heights over the Gulf of Mexico where the water temperatures are warm. You really do need to watch out. But regardless of whether there is any development or not officially, we are going to see more heavy rainfall, and it's really wiping out the drought across Florida after what was a very dry May overall. So you can see here as I skip through the sequence into next week, we remain with this northern block and trapped low pressure to the south, and therefore that is going to continue to keep a fairly active and fairly wet pattern across the southeastern half of the country. So this is going to be a cool theme as we go forward. Short and sweet today. Hope you have a great day, and I'll be back in the next few days with more. Bye for now.